Who's in the box? Oh, what's in the box?
Hey, welcome back to another episode of Jack on Tracks, and yeah, another episode of What's in the Box. I know, it's a bag. We're not going to go there. Things come in bags. Just get over it. I know what these are. I personally think I got an exceptional deal on these. Double bag. Nice. I got two. Blue box. New York Central Pacemakers. Gray and red 40-foot boxcars. Collector's Corner Inc. I've never heard of them. They're probably not from this region. I'm in the Northeast. Bell Bev was a huge, custom paint guy here. That might be one of the best paint jobs on a boxcar. Of course, next to Merchandise Service with the platinum stripe. But that is probably one of the sharpest looking paint jobs out there on a boxcar. So I got two of them big boys. Basically what I paid for these is pretty much what you pay for one. These I might actually order the wood or actually metal rails, walkways for these. Snazz them up a little bit. Maybe go a little extra mile with these. Do a little extra detailing on them. Well, that's really it. And once again, thanks for watching. Blue box. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later.